Previously on the agency.
I got question him.
You have a problem with a natty on your front line?
You. So, you hear from King?
I'm still under payments from them time there.
Me gonna need to talk to him.
Who is this? Really?
The Spanish Town thing is a little bit more serious than we expected. Whisper, you have to take one more for the team.
Meanwhile,
You have to get close to Vicious bartender.
So Teflon never know about this?
No more know it is. Oh, Vicious never try run over this yet.
I wonder if a back way the youth they are free to go for real butcher.
And you can't get close to him over the weed house. Unless you can just carry him right here.
Carry him where?
The drive I gave you. Have you found anyone to decode it yet?
Yeah,
That's the first nail in his coffin.
Audrey, we need more.
Just leave the rest to me.
Yeah, you pick him up already? And you drop him off at the rendezvous point? Panther have him now. And he don't look like nobody that follow now. Alright, cool. Make a call Panther now. Panther, you have him? And it was a clean transfer. Good. See you in a few. Yeah, Whisper.
Boss, I'm wait to you now.
Change of plans. Make the move over Spanish Town. You go deal with the bartender.
You know, but I got link numbers.
No, you must come to me.
Oh, alright.
Mongota tell me so what I have to deal with this now, cause them a plan something.
I feel it too.
Here what? Take care of that side there. And me will take care of over here, so.
If I get the link to King, let me know.
Definitely.
Alright. We'll keep you updated.
Alright, cool.
Your mission is to mash up the agency. And your vision is to sit in a chair created by somebody else's hard work.
Your father figure was a part of a major drug ring back in the day that took the lives of 5, let me say it again, 5 major sleeper agents and sent 2 to prison.
Why we need all of to dictate what we do? The only way the agency would survive is if it had an independent board of directors. Because it is still governed by the Constitution of Jamaica.
David Mullins is a crooked individual who wants to disguise himself as this noble individual under the disguise of this agency who is working in the best interest of Jamaican people. But I don't buy that.
Yeah, Panther. Alright. Just tell him come down to the grill at the left.
You know, so Marissa link me and tell me say Teflon link her, brother.
So what she say?
Man, I asked her about the same program over saying, brother.
Ask her, say what?
If she know anything about what go on. So you know so what go on. Teflon up on the ground, brother.
Oh. So I just might call him and not answer.
At that I pray. We look like we're under serious payments.
So how you feel like we do?
So I feel like we forgot chat to him, brother. Because I'm really worried about Marissa over there today, you know.
So what we are gonna do? Well, go over there with 2 empty and I know so we're under payments.
How empty it is. If Teflon do want to make a movie, you want to do it already. Him not a fool.
Yeah. But we still don't know if it's a movie make with the youth to drop on the ground the other day.
And I feel like we have link Miss Bissett and whisper them.
We don't want to do that, brother. Anyway, we forward with nobody over there. I'm gonna feel like say, oh, what we want. You see it? You hear me at the butcher? I make a call. I make a little bird circle over there and see if they see Van. And link. Yeah, man, I hear you. Download it up, you know. Just call me back same time when you find out if him did it. Then, him say give him about 10 minutes. I make a circle and then him link back.
And we ask to go over there.
I Flames me send go over there, man.
Flames. Flames and them good.
I mean, then Flames now have a baby mother over there. But them no know say me and Flames good.
So you trust him. Brother, then you would tell know which side end up on, you know.
Well, if he willing to tell me say Teflon Van did it, I can go and work with him butcher.
Yo, I can't believe I just saw gone back to brother. Right now, Marissa vexing me, you know. Because right now, she say come like a square one this.
Clean we are clean up the thing, man, butcher. Don't know what them saying. Darkest part of the night a little before daylight. Just tell her no worry herself, man. You hear that?
That one a difficult, you know, brother. Me and her go through it, you know, bro. And right as we about to, you see me start back, this a jump off.
Yo, here one. See if you want talk in and make me go over there go deal with it. You angle that, you know.
It is, you know, that can't go on. This is me and your brother. And me here on the program now. Me could go straight it out.
Oh, tell me something. You hear from Vicious? I wonder if the youth they still have we under payment see little program we never forward pan butcher.
I don't know them man that stay, you know, brother. I don't know him I pray still, but me not hear from him.
You know, sir. Something going on with the youth the butcher. You need to figure it out, you know. You know, say Sher called me yesterday.
For
She asked me if Vicious over me. So that's why I don't know in a car at the time we did up on the road.
so I'm link you for real.
You know how long I not hear from Vicious? I don't know where man the brother.
I wonder if it boy have an next girl.
You hear what me think? You see anyhow I did our next girl, you wouldn't hide it. That's something deep on this brother.
You know, I don't want to believe how me I pray. In my do brother.
Butcher. Apart from the 1 week we were there in the bush. You see it? You ever see Vicious take 1 week to call it? How long now we take 1 whole week before we hear from Vicious bad man? If you feel leave a lie, me I tell, call him.
You know, I say me been a call him for real. Come like him block me all off and status in it is. Because I not see the status again.
And me there say I post him now post nothing. Look into this. All of a sudden from him go a country and I say make link. Eh? Him start move away. Butcher just look on it now my youth. if you're not in a something and a man a bring something to you, right, they say you got tap in. You not even know that can't tell way back say yo, you make them the link, because you cut it off and right there. So you have to keep your eye on him, man.
You notice that things go on in ground and the man not even call and tell me. Say man drop over there.
Yo, yeah, same there. Alright. Butcher here. One thing at a time. What deal with that Teflon thing? Then we see what I go on on that. Is it?
Yeah, we can walk with the Bible, you know.
It's serious, Miss Brissett.
Why you said that?
Well, from me get a message from you last night said we need to link up. Then you send a ride for me. And me change 2 rides before me reach her. And the man them a drive like some real shatter. And in a movie, me see them things then.
You know our work. We have to be very cautious.
So what going on? What me do?
Take the weight off of your foot no numbers. Me invite you to my house, you know. Sit down, man. You want a drink?
Well, if you have natural juice around them, I will drink that. But outside of that, I just water, you know?
No way to stop drink numbers.
Well, not stop completely, but I kind of calm down significantly, you know?
Is what you do, purge?
Well, something like that, you know?
That sound good. Sound like a lifestyle change.
Health is wealth, you know, Mr. Brissett. When you get older, you realize you have to change up certain things, you know?
But you was never a heavy drinker. And me never see you smoke.
Well, I burn my herbs every now and then, you know? But that's just for spiritual purposes, you know? You know, I go see me I walk up and down every day with a spliff in my hand. And I was never a heavy drinker, so truth is that it's easy to get rid of.
So what you change? Your eating habits?
Whoa. Mr. Brissett. Wipe on the eating. Well, yeah, I kind of consume less of them toxic food, you know? I do most fasting, you know? Clean up the system.
How you feel since you start fasting?
Great, you know? Body feel stronger, you know?
You know, so me plan to start on that journey there too. Maybe I can suggest some of the foods and what we can eat. Consume.
Just free fruits, man. You can never go wrong with fruits. And if you're somebody who consume chicken, you might want to slow down on that a little bit.
You know, so me stop eat chicken about 8-9 months now. And me eat fruits every now and then. But the only thing with me is the snacking.
And that are the killer, you know? Especially for something you do late at night.
Must start cut down now, you know. I'm a better now.
That is it. Just take it one day at a time.
Numbers. Me know you're curious why me tell you if you meet me at my house. And why all of the security measures.
Concern, yes. Feel a little nervous-ish too.
You're not feel nervous. Just relax. But I have a few questions I want to ask you. I know Mr. Mullins did make you serve 3 years in a lockup for wire fraud. You all against him?
Why ask me that?
I know as people sometimes, people do things and we have it up in our stomach and we not talk about it.
Honestly, Miss Brissett, you so I there do the time, the bit about it, you know. Because how me look on it, I just help some people with the system bit kind of mash up. But when them help me get out, Then I realize they are really good people.
So you say you have no hard feelings towards him for making you lose 3 years of your life in a prison.
I really 2.5 years. Because they get me out early. I'm gonna learn one thing. If you do the crime, you have to do the time.
I was just about to say the same thing to you.
Yeah, man. Sam Mullins is a good man. Get me out of prison early. He set me up with the farm and him look out for me. The truth is, I have to respect him because him still make me do some valuable things for the company.
That's what I want to get to know. You know them always a try out for the agency, right? Especially the politicians them.
Yeah, I know that.
More you forgive my neighbors them. Let me drown out the sound a little bit. That's supposed to be better. We'll call you over the house because I want to have a heart-to-heart with you. More you look on this as not Miss Brissett talking to numbers, but Angie talking to Alfred. I don't want you to feel intimidated. But tell me, what kind of business you and Marcus Wallace have?
So you have me under surveillance.
The two sides them a form an alliance against the agency. And we can't make them shut it down. You know the agency stand for good. We'll have to pray everybody. Tony and Sia go to Marcus Wallace's house. I mean, no say you're not a political man. So what was that about?
I'll tell you something where I really few people now. I got youth in the country. She's 16. And I can tell you this. She's the world. I don't really make people know about her because I don't really want nobody use me to get to she. You see, even though I'm not see her on the regular, sometimes I just have 2 times a month. Make sure that she don't want for me.
And Marcus locate her.
Yeah. He called me in my yard and tell me, say, he want to talk to him about a youth program. And he want me help him to go across the country and develop some youth and give them motivational talk. I did pray when him say it to me. But before me leave, the argument change. He want me for help. Bring down Mr. Mullins.
He might pull a Daily. Daily tried the same thing with Whisper. What am I asking for though? Freddie, tell me where your daughter and her mother there. We can find them and help relocate them. Nobody won't know where them there. Do you trust me? Numbers.
Oh, yeah?
You trust me?
Yeah, man.
Tell me what Marcus asked you for do.
Take a seat. And tell me, say,
What go, Mr. Plummer?
How go on that, girl?
Our London a day here, you know?
That good, man. Are you coming?
Me?
What do you mean? So what? You can't pass and hear you.
Of course. Want go partner?
Alright.
I got him man a come. Edges them alright. Lick no dry. What's up?
Nothing much. Then at the area and decide say I'm gonna make a stop.
Okay, that's nice. So where can you there?
Yeah, man. Just up and look a break still, you know.
So I never seen a uniform yet.
I'm not really wear uniform no more. Mostly supervise.
Oh, so you have big position.
Management position, a big position, not supervisor.
It's still bigger than the ordinary worker though.
You know what I said? Not ordinary person in a commission work. Everybody play an important role. You must say water is life, you know.
You know what I mean? You have a low level worker and high level worker.
Well, that are just based on salary, not expertise.
And one thing, you know, you have an answer for everything.
Not everything. Just the things that I know about.
So Arte, do your plumbing training?
Oh, you guess?
So you try before. Yeah, drink something?
Yeah, I'm gonna drink
Cold Dragon.
yeah.
That's all you drink?
No, not really, but I'm first choice, especially with on the job.
So them allow you to drink on the job?
Be honest with you, no workplace actually give the go ahead for drink, but they don't know. But they outside and nobody knows to do.
So which part in that area you work?
On a Drunker side.
Drunk or tree side? You hear what going on there?
No. I will go on.
Them find two body around the side there couple weeks ago.
Real? Say here what go on.
No, you know.
So the place stay differently. Anything I go on with you, them round there?
I mean, hear about nothing, you know. But the place still quiet.
So since the incident, and the police passed through,
Every now and then, me see them.
out of curiosity, how you reach home after work at night time?
I have my personal driver. I carry me home. Or why you want to pick me up?
That no really possible.
So why you ask?
The place obviously I run away, so just a check if your government traveling is concerned.
I have my personal driver. But since recently, I have somebody who come pick me up.
Oh, it's alright. I can pick you up now.
Not really Mr. Right, but somebody who I know.
Cool. So, how was the festive season for you? What about cake, wine, and party?
Cake and sorrel. No party.
So, no farmer wine?
So who forgive me? You want to give me?
It's easy, you know. So, yeah, say, you not got no party at all during the season?
Just family party.
Really? So, none of the big top flosser party then?
No, Sam. Can't bother with that. I don't really like the crowd.
Move us. Because me's not a crowd person either.
Well, at least we have that in common.
Damn. Yeah.
So, yeah, your wife not going away for this season.
One till they say, man, I see a boat. That's a regular thing. Look a family gathering.
So I'ma ask you what you ask me. So you're not going to another big party then?
No?
Really? Young man like you not like party?
Remember, say me I tell you, say me not a crowd person, you know. I will make it worse. Me have a bad experience at one party already.
So I want to you a better some woman problem.
So why you have to think, say, a woman?
A boy like you must have woman a war over you.
No, man, I know nothing like that. I want to tell you, say, it's a drive-by one, you know, I have to run for my life.
Are you sure say never man they shoot up you for them woman?
No, man, I not like that, man. I want to tell you, say, as somebody specific them come find out. And you know me, sad, are the person me that walk with.
Wrong place, wrong time, eh?
Exactly.
See, I know so that reached me the other day. I got 21 for do me ear. I me say madman pop off gun. I me say me have to run for my life.
Cha. For real? So you alone with that walk?
No, I me am a hairdresser. She came one place where me never walked before. I me tell you say me run left far, you see?
See? Wrong place, wrong time.
I wrong smaddy.
So, them see your face. You have to make sure, say, you think about that because they remember you. And if you see them face, you have to take that in consideration to them might have you as a witness.
Me not see nobody face. Too fast me dig off.
And you sure say them not see your face?
See who for face? As my friend drop, me wanna cover baby.
Yeah, really sample, you know. Say your friend link you back from it happen?
Me change my number. Cause me no want she ask me what go on. Cause me never see come let me cover my face already.
Okay. That's why me that call you, I never get you.
You did that call me for you?
Yeah? I think Sam, it's alright there, your foot say decide say nah take the call.
No, Sam. Me just change my number. I decide say me not go over 21.
So, what kind of link you have over this? Because if it's a place where unstable and you go over there, so go there a year, you must know people good over there.
We used to live over there, no, but just move out. Cause me no like over there.
Okay. That means you're supposed to know the top man over there then.
Who you talk? The one Willie Scotcher?
No man, Willie Carter was back then. And then get rid of him. I talk about the one I run it now. I think him name Teflon.
I don't know the name there.
The way him name ring over there still, I think you'd at least hear about him. Oh, you hear what? I have advice for you. Follow your mind. I think if you go back over there. Because something jump off. And maybe them are in a war with 13.
Yeah, I did hear about that. But besides, I'm not go back over there.
Some different. Yeah, alright.
Yeah, alright.
Just that the energy change. When you talk about 21 overall.
I just not like over there. When I did over there, so my top man them used to rape off a little girl them. That's why I leave.
Oh, more of us. Sorry for bringing it up still.
No man, it's alright.
Okay. Give me a minute here. My supervisor call me. Yeah, bossy. Yes, sir? Alright, now forward now. Nothing. Unfortunately, I have to go back on duty.
You sound like a police.
No, man. I go back on the job. Alright, so clear my bill. Maybe that 3 dragon and This is the fourth one. And keep the change. Alright? Me check you up again, yeah?
All right. Drive safe. So make him a run, so. Look like somebody pipe bus. Yeah.
Annette, meet me down the road. I need you to do something for me.
But Teflon.
You hear me say though?
All right.